Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to change Google Chrome browser download location. So, let's start. At first, I open my Google Chrome browser. I log into my Facebook account to download my photos. Now go to the Photos option. Select any photos, and save this on your computer. Here, you can see my default download location. Click on Save, and this image is saved in my selected location. To change Chrome's default download location, go to the Browser Settings options. Click on Settings options. Click on Download. Click Change Location options. Now, select any location where you want to save all your download files. I create a new folder, and select this for the default download location. Again, go to my Facebook profile, and download another photo to check my download location. Save this photo. Click to show this photos, then you can see my download location. I hope you can change your browser location after watching this video. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.